Hello everyone, it's Adam here. This is a BMW R18 bagger. That would be the OEM seat. And that seat, it looks so perfect and great on this bike. The lines are excellent. I think BMW made all the seats for each of the different R18 models more beautiful, aesthetically pleasing than just comfortable. And so we're going to unbolt that T30 there, and we're going to yank this seat off. It has the heated seat option added, so we're going to need to unhook the heated element from it. And I'm installing an R18. It's also hooked on the front there too. There's a lip on the front, and then you snap it down to the back and screw it in. I'm replacing it with the BMW R18 TransContinental seat. Not just any TC seat, but the ultra comfortable, ultra high 760 millimeter heat with the pillion heat built in. The bagger does not have pillion heat, just rider heat. So I'm hoping, and I later prove it does work, that this button will actually trigger heat for the passenger, so I can actually control heat for myself up front, and the passenger can control heat on the back, still using just one plug that BMW gives you for the heat control. There it is right there. So let's get it installed on the bike. Very, very simple. You snap it in the front, you slide it in, and then you basically reattach that T30 on the rear, and you're done. I just want to show you real quick. This is what it looks like underneath the seat. You see the wires that kind of come up from the saddlebags to the left and right side. That cord hanging loose there is the heated seat cord. So that's what you use to plug in. You'll need to bring that leather strap through the new TransContinental seat to make this work. I've got some dummy plugs here in the very back. Those are for the TransContinental top box. If you the bagger and the TransContinental share the same wiring harness, so you can actually, if you want to retrofit a top box, you could. So let's get the TC seat installed, and there it is. It's huge. It's that tall in the back, not only for comfort for your pillion, but it also stylistically fits better with the top box. The top box kind of wraps around it perfectly. It looks a little bit dumb from the back, but you can see here the lip is perfectly placed. So are the front and the rear supports. Everything is basically OEM, because it is. The bagger and the TC are the exact same bike until you start adding on the accessories the TC has. But everything fits perfectly. That T30 snap-on in the rear there fits perfectly. It is stylistically identical to the TransContinental seat. So yeah, and to just show you guys here, my next clip will show you the heated seat element. So you can turn on the heated seat from the control like you normally do, which I'll show you how to do that right now for those of you that are new to the R18. Once that is turned on, you got to set seating seat 5. If I click that button back for my pillion, then he or she will also get a 1 or a 2 for the rear. So without any coding at all, just plug in that one plug, and all of the heated seat stuff for the pillion seat, heat seating works fine, which is really great. So it does mean if you got a bike with heat added, then you can go through any of the BMW heated seats from 719 to TC to bagger, whatever suits you, and it'll work just fine. Part number below, $650 for this seat from BMW. Enjoy and ride safe.